friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Janie. I do videos on Build-A-Bear, Squishmallow, Squishables, all kinds of stuffed animals, and occasionally I sprinkle in some lifestyle and beauty content. Today we're talking about Build-A-Bear, the new Lightyear movie from Pixar and Disney's coming out, and I'm so excited. So we're going to be talking about Buzz Lightyear as well as the newest, the cutest sock. So this is a personal companion robot, and this is the reason I really went to Build-A-Bears for this little creature. This is a pre-stuffed bear though, but we're going to break it down. We're going to talk about the pricing, talk about the outfit, how much this whole thing cost, even though I don't have my receipt anymore. I actually purchased this in person, so that's the best part. So let's talk about it. I know the Disney store also has a different version that I will be reviewing as well, but I came for socks, which is already a pre-stuffed animal. So when you go to Build-A-Bear, they're ready-made. They're not the customizable version. But because I was there and I saw the cute picture, I was like, let me also get Buzz and get the whole costume and all that. So for this release, they didn't give you a Buzz Lightyear bear. They gave you the costume. So you could apply this to any bear. This is the one in the picture, and I also already have this one from a couple years ago. It's just a standard fluffy soft bear, and then this is the costume. So this is $20, and we're gonna put it on the teddy bear right now. So the suit itself attaches with a Velcro, and then there's a tiny strip of Velcro on the back that allows you to put the little wing jetpack thing. So this is a little bit on the flimsy side because it's only being held by a bit of Velcro down the middle. So it does give it some nice movement though when you're kind of moving the bear around, but that's just something to keep in mind. As for the hat, it has little holes for you to put the ears out of your teddy bear, and then there's some Velcro that will go underneath the chin, and that kind of keeps it in place. So it's super cute. This type of item is nice because you can apply it to any bear you already have, any standard Build-A-Bear, and I think it's cute. It looks a little ridiculous, but the way they had it in the picture just made me want to get the whole set because I'm going to go watch the movie with my husband, and he's a huge Toy Story fan. I didn't include any audio or any sense to this Build-A-Bear because I was already spending a lot of money. There was a 2 for $45 deal. Sometimes those are online, sometimes those are in person. In this case, it also included a lot of Pokemon, so that's going to be my next video for Build-A-Bear. I did purchase a Pokemon, and I was like, I don't want to add too much audio sounds because that really raises the price considerably when you're at Build-A-Bear. So let's talk about socks. So like I said before, this is a pre-stuffed animal. It's $15. Not a bad price. I do wish they had come out with a version of socks that is like a standard bear that you can stuff and you can customize and all that. I think that would have been really nice and special because Fox deserves it. I think Fox is the cutest little companion. So this is what it looks like, very accurate to the film, to the poster. I don't like, this is a very nitpicky detail, but on the back there's 2 lines of stitching. I don't really like that. You can see it quite clearly. Actually, I'm not even sure if the camera is going to pick it up, but there's like 2 lines of stitching right there. It says Build-A-Bear on the back of one of the paws, which is cute. And then the little collar, it's blue collar with a little tag that says Socks Personal Companion Robot. I don't like that this is cardboard. This is like slightly thick cardboard, but it's really not much there. I wish it had been a different material because I can see it like either kind of wearing away through use, or even just like if you get it wet, like it's gonna crumble. But those are just minor details that I noticed. It's not a big deal. It looks absolutely adorable. The Disney store, like I said, also has a version of this, like a bigger, nicer version that I will be reviewing as well, depending on how my schedule looks like because it's at Times Square, and you know I'm not a big fan of the Times Square location. So now that we've taken a look at the bears, I want to do a price breakdown. Unfortunately, I don't have my physical paper receipt because I went in person, so I'm just gonna look up the prices once again on the website. So the actual costume itself was $20. I mentioned that. Socks is $15, and then the actual bear itself is not here. So online, it's a little bit of a bundle price, so that's something to consider. For the teddy bear with the Buzz Lightyear costume, it's $42.80. That's currently on sale. Original price is $48. For the bundle with socks, it is $57.80. Usually it's $63. So that's something to keep in mind, that the bundles are can be a little bit cheaper. In person, there wasn't a bundle. You just kind of grab and go, which I knew ahead of time that was probably going to happen. Also, I didn't include any shoes. I know that I'm seeing it now that there are little black rubber boots for $8 or $6 if they're on sale. I didn't buy boots for my bears because I find that they always fall or they're just really bulky. So I want to see what the price for the Happy Hugs teddy bear is because, like I said, this is a standard simple bear. So I want to see how much he is on his own, if they will show me. This is the type of bear that they use for all of their themed packages. Like right now there's Father's Day stuff or like fireman stuff, like army, military. This is the bear that they usually use for that kind of thing. Okay, so he's full price, he's $20, not bad. And then at the sale price that they're doing right now, which they do often, this is the Hello Summer Sale, it is $16. Not bad at all. I'm looking at the little alien right next to it. It looks hilarious. But yeah, so it's not a bad deal. Like I said, with Build-A-Bear, it just kind of depends on what your budget is, how much you want to spend. I could have easily just bought the $20 costume and put it on one of my other bears, but that other bear I have plans for, so I wanted a bear that I can just have strictly be Buzz Lightyear forever. So that's what I'm doing, and that's why I bought this bear. And yeah, it's really cute. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll have some playlists linked down below on stuff that I've done in the past, like Build-A-Bear, Squishmallow. They all have separate playlists, as well as one just general stuffed animal funness. But yeah, thank you so much if you made it to the end, and I will see you next time with another video. Stay safe out there. Bye.